Good afternoon, everybody. Mr. C here with a video for dividing fractions for 5th grade students. Alright, so you probably have already learned from Mr. I that when you're dividing fractions, there's something called the reciprocal, which is just the inverse of a fraction. So, when you're doing the reciprocal, you have to take a look at that second fraction there, the one that you're dividing by. Alright, so we have in this problem 3/4 divided by 2/7. Alright, so it's important to realize that you're not taking the reciprocal of this first fraction, 3/4, you're taking the reciprocal of the second fraction there, 2/7. Alright, so what I like to do is I just rewrite the reciprocal right here next to it. So the reciprocal of 2/7 is 7/2. All right, and then underneath I rewrite the problem as a multiplication problem. So I have 3/4 times 7/2. All right, so now all you have to do is just multiply across. Those 3 times 7 is 21, and 4 times 2 is 8. Now, I don't know if Mr. I has you change that now, because now you have an improper fraction there, 21/8. When the numerator is bigger than the denominator, that's called an improper fraction. So, depending on the instructions of your teacher, he may want you to change that into a mixed number. So how do you do that? Very simple. All you have to do is you take the denominator, all right, and then you take the numerator. So we have a problem now, 21 divided by 8, or 21, 8 into 21. All right, so how many times does 8 go into 21? 8 goes into 21 2 times. All right, now we have 2 times 8 is 16. All right, now we subtract 5. We have a mixed number now, 2 and 5/8. So 21/8 equals 2 and 5/8. All right. So I don't know, Mr. I may have you guys just leave it 21/8 for right now, or he may ask you, okay, if it's an improper fraction, I want you to change that and convert it into a mixed number. All right, we'll do another one. All right, let's do 3/4 divided by, let's do 4/7. All right, so now we have 3/4. So what's the reciprocal of 4/7? 4/7. 7/4, right? All right, now we just rewrite the problem as a multiplication problem. 3/4 times 7/4. All right, now we have 21/16. All right, now if you wanted to change that improper fraction into a mixed number, you do the same thing. 16 into 21. How many times does 16 go into 21? It goes in 1 time. Subtract. We get 5. 1 and 5/16 is our mixed number answer. 1 and 5/16. All right, so that is the same as 21/16. So 21/16 would be the improper fraction. 1 and 5/16 would be the mixed number answer. All right, guys. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I will see you next week.